Hello and a very good evening to you. It's been quite a unsettled day across much of the UK, and that's due to low pressure being in charge of our weather. We've got low pressure here centred just to the northwest of Northern Ireland and various frontal systems in that flow giving a focus for those showers. That low pressure is going to remain in charge, slowly moving eastwards into the morning of Friday with a further more organised area of rain moving across the southern half of England as we move through Friday morning. Back to this evening though, so this is that focused area of rain on that more organised band, a little bit more showery across the far southeast, and some of those showers could linger on into the early part of the evening. Elsewhere, southeast England and the northeast part of England and the far northeast of Scotland seeing a drier evening. But with that low pressure still in place, there's going to be a fairly wet night for Northern Ireland, and we're going to still continue to see showers moving in across southwest of England, Wales and parts of western Scotland too. With those temperatures as well, it's going to be around 11 to 12 degrees, a fairly mild night. Coolest temperatures will be in those clear spells with those lighter winds, and we could see temperatures down into single figures in some parts across north and eastern parts of England as well. Heading through the rest of Thursday then, so a fairly bright start if you're in the eastern and northeastern parts of England, but with low pressure in charge, a wet start to the day for Northern Ireland, and those blustery showers are going to be spreading eastwards fairly quickly through the day on Thursday. Many places will be seeing showers, and it'll be one of those on-off rain type of days. There are a few brighter spells within that, but notice these winds as well. It's going to be a fairly blustery day, particularly down the western coast. Could see gusts 35, perhaps even 40 miles per hour. So what is the temperatures going to look like? So they are down a little bit. Most places are close to average, and particularly in northern and western parts barely making it into the 20s. But for the far east of East Anglia, still holding on to some warmth, perhaps 23 degrees for the far east there. Heading through Thursday evening though, so some of these showers will break apart as we head through the evening, but many places will be holding on to showers as we head through Thursday night. Some of these more organised, particularly for parts of southwestern Scotland. Northern Ireland again seeing fairly frequent showers, Wales as well. And we notice across the far south there is this area of perhaps more organised rain, and that could give a more heavier burst for a time in the early hours of Friday. So the temperatures to start the day on Friday, it will be a touch milder with the wind a little bit stronger, most places staying between 10 to 14 degrees. Moving through the rest of Friday then, so that low pressure centred across parts of Scotland will be mainly in charge again. So lots of places still seeing further showers as we move through Friday, and again these could be quite heavy at times. We could get the odd rumble of thunder, but there will be a few brighter spells, and particularly the southwest of England will probably see a few brighter spells than we will on Thursday. Temperatures again are going to be struggling around 17 to 19 degrees for the northern half of the country, but again across the south we could see up to 22, maybe even 23 degrees. Heading into the weekend then, it does look like it's going to be an unsettled picture and an unsettled start to autumn. If you want to find out any more, check out our 10-day trend with Alex.